Hi, I'm Moxie, and I am one of the co-hosts of...
Hello everyone, this is Eliza from NOAA News, and the day is August 29th, 2017. There seem to be many low-pressure areas today, so it should be rather warm. As you can see, we have about 10 low-pressure areas around here, but to add on to that fact, we also have around 5 pressure areas. So it's going to be a much warmer day than usual. Over here, we have rain and thunderstorms and a massive hurricane, Hurricane Harvey. Moxie, can you tell me why this is?
Well, Eliza, as you see, you got your high pressures, which is the colder pressure. Then you got your low pressures, which is basically the hotter pressure. Basically, these two are going to come together or collide or chase each other around. And basically, they're going to keep on doing that until they can't no more. And then basically, you have this big rotating thing. Like, y'all seen what an ice cream cone looks like before? It looks like a super nasty ice cream cone that's going to come and destroy your house. And a lot of times, it's bigger than your house. And so basically, they do that. They rise up. And then guess what? Bam! You got your high pressures coming, you got your low pressures coming, and then you have Hurricane Harvey. And a lot of times you even have rain. So, on with you.
Oh no! Does this natural disaster have anything to do with all these low pressure areas and how few high pressure areas?
Why, yes. All the warm fronts and cold fronts coming together are making this hurricane.
Very interesting. Anyways, thank you, Moxie. Our weather report is over for now. Tune in